Well, we are here today in Nakhon Phanom at a cool looking restaurant that we saw last week here. It's called Kankraw. And this is the owner. His name is Juan.
Yeah.
And this place looks really cool. And we're going to sit here on the Mekong River and have an awesome dinner, huh?
Let's taste how it tastes.
How it tastes. I'm sure it's going to taste great, right?
Yeah.
But you're only open for dinner, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no lunch.
No lunch.
No breakfast.
No breakfast.
Only dinner. So that means dinner is going to be perfect.
Yeah.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah. Okay. You're welcome.
Well, there's the beautiful Mekong River. It's not so beautiful right now because it's raining. But I don't know if you guys remember on a few videos back on Chelsea's video, we ate lunch right over here. We're gonna do another video on this place another time. I don't know, maybe tomorrow. It's been here over 40 years and has some of the best pad thai in Thailand, but it's a little sweet. So if you don't like it sweet, you have to tell them. One nit noi. One says he's made this place to kind of feel like home, like you're eating at home, yeah? So I mentioned the hotel next door. Chelsea's is the restaurant that I used to eat at here that has the phalang food, but she's gonna be cooking phalang food over there eventually. But I just did a video on where to stay here in Nakhon Phanom. I'll share the link to that. But the hotel location is also in that video, which is like right next door to the awesome lunch place and the awesome, soon to be awesome, we don't know yet, I'm sure it'll be great, dinner place. ชื่ออะไรนะครับ
เปิ้ลค่ะ
Burn. Apple. Oh, her name is Apple. Apple. ภาษาอังกฤษ So this is right next to Chelsea's hotel. She says sometimes she has a little bit of a Thai cooking class. So if you guys come here and eat at the restaurant, maybe be nice to Burn. She might teach you how to cook a little bit of Thai food. Maybe. เลี้ยงนิดหน่อย
ได้นิดหน่อย
Okay. Anyway, okay, you're welcome. She said we ordered a lot of food. I said, well, that's because Paige can eat a lot of food.
Not as much.
We've got some, this is it's really the thing to get here, and it's little fish that come out. The very first time I went fishing in the Mekong River, I caught this fish. I was like, what the hell is that? And I just threw it back in, and somebody saw me do it. Said, no, I want those. If you catch them, they're good to eat. And I'm like, okay. But this is what they are, and you can actually eat, when they're a little small, you can eat the whole thing. It's good calcium. Good calcium.
เนื้อตุ๋นค่ะตุ๋นราคา
I don't think I can ever say that. But anyway, it's beef.
It's like a stew kind of beef.
Like a stew, like a beef stew. With
Holy basil.
but a little bit of spice to it, right?
Yeah, they stir fry Thai like pad kapao, but it's holy basil, not kapao. Smells so good. อันไหนหอมจริงทางไหนแล้วแบบ
And this is another signature dish of his. It's a beef soup. And boy, does it look awesome. Oh, เป็นตาแซ่บ
อ
I think that was a little
อร่อย
exaggerated,
ไม่
but
ใช่
I'm sure it tastes good. Let's give it a try.
อันนี้ไหนนี่มัน
It looks super hot.
ดี
Okay, let's give the beef a try. Hang on a second, it's hot. Man, the tom yum, I can tell you, tastes wonderful. It's like a tom yum seasoning. Oh. It melts in your, it's melting my mouth because it's hot, but it literally melts in your mouth. The meat is so tender. It is crazy tender. For beef in Thailand, you guys got to check this dish out. It's very good. Oh, very good.
This one too.
I'm glad we didn't eat lunch today.
I know.
Now this is what I ordered here on addition. It's a pork rib. Really, it's like gapgam, which is anything with beer. But it's a pork rib. They sell this pretty much everywhere. But let's see what it tastes like here.
It smells good in it.
Everything is nice and really hot. Amazing. Even the rice looks good. It looks like it's in the shape of a teddy bear. Very cool. Now this right here is a little too big probably to eat whole. Of course you can if you want to. I usually just kind of break the head off of it. And then some, this is a little bit of a spicy dipping sauce. Can't wait to get a taste of this stew. If the meat is as good as this tom yum, it's going to be amazing. Wow. I mean, it just kind of feels right. It's like butter.
You can really find the meat that
Wow.
tender in Thailand.
Very tender.
นิ่มมากเลย
It's very tender. Where did you buy the meat? Yunai?
In the market, but I boil it for 4 hours.
You boiled it for 4 hours. Oh, wow. It's really, really great flavor. Good flavor to it.
นิ่มมากเลย
It's amazing. And the spice is perfect. Pet potty.
นะครับผม
ก็เลย
อันนี้เนี่ยของคุณแม่
Oh.
His mom
Your mom
recipe.
made it.
My mother formula. I eat it when I was child.
Oh, when you were small. I'm sure she very proud of you for making this.
He just passed away.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
About 15 years.
15 years now. Oh, okay. I'm sure she's looking down on you and very proud of you.
If she lives 99.
99. Oh, okay. 99. Well, I'm glad she taught you how to make this recipe. Very, very good. Very good.
I'm glad that you're happy with
Yeah,
my
yeah,
food.
yeah. I hope you have many customers. You guys gotta, I'm telling you, it's amazing. You guys gotta come here and check it out.
เดี๋ยววันหน้ามาชิมอย่างอื่น
Many places have this type. I'll say not many places have beef this good in Thailand, so very good. Even the rib is good. Kaduk mu aloy mak.
How you call it in English?
Just a pork rib. A fried pork rib. Yeah. But we usually eat the whole thing with like sauce and barbecue sauce. And Most places like this in Thailand, you would expect the meat to be chewy.
chewy
Yeah, chewy.
only first time we got
It would be like really good flavor and acceptable because it's Thailand. But this is not normal. Very tender.
late.
Well, I don't know about you guys, but I am full. Are you full? I looked at all of this food and I said, there's no way we're going to finish this. This is a lot of food, but I feel almost bad that we finished this food. It was so good, wasn't it?
Yeah, everything is good.
I mean, if we had the mafias here, man, we would have killed a lot of plates. But anyway, the food's good. Let's go pay the bill, say goodbye. You guys got to check this place out.
It was so good.
Let's go see how much it cost. Alloy mak kap.
ครับผม
Okay, let's see what the damage is. We got to definitely come back, huh?
ยังมีเมนูที่
Maybe next time we bring a lot of people.
ครับ900
Oh, okay. Very good. Very good. That's all of that food with 2 beers under $30. Okay, very good. Oh, very good. Mentos. Well, thank you very much. The food was very good. Definitely got to come back.
โอเค
I hope when all of my friends come, they come and see you. Some of the best beef stew I think I've ever had in Thailand. Very, very nim. Very good. It's not, usually the beef is chewy meow, but not here. It's perfect, podi. Anyway, it was a pleasure to meet you. Thank you very much, Juan. Juan in English means sweet. Sweet, very sweet guy. Very good. Okay, nice to meet you, and we'll see you again soon.
Yeah.
Bye.
ครับบาย
Bye. Okay, very good.